Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai DashCam A800S. In this video I'll show you how to connect the camera with the app. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store and download 70mai app. Then open it, and next you will have to create an account.
Start recording emergency video.
So, sign up, enter your email, then get verification code and enter password. Now, when your account has been created, let me just lower the brightness of the screen. Press plus in the center of the screen.
Recording complete.
Now, smartphone is searching for nearby cameras. If your camera has not been found, select DashCam with screen. Select connecting, confirm, allow, and of course make sure that the camera is turned on. Now select 70mai and enter password. You can find password in the system Wi-Fi settings. Connect. And now when we are connected, we should be able to connect with the app.
Tap the confirm button to authorize.
Now confirm. Got it. And it's done. Thanks to app you can take photos, find the albums, check the live vision of the camera and go to menu. In DashCam settings, we've got basically the same settings like in the actual DashCam. So you can change Wi-Fi settings, sound recording, screen of time, and many more. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.